It's hard for plants to grow here. Water is precious and quickly lost. Enter FytoFlakes. Achieve faster, stronger, and healthier growth while saving water, money, and the planet. FytoFlakes are advanced eco-friendly flakes that hold water and oxygen, keeping you and your plants happy with less water, less effort, and more growth. FytoFlakes surround the roots and hold water and oxygen, making it available to your vegetation whenever needed. For plants and trees, dig a hole twice the size of your root ball. Put in your plant or tree and fill the hole with a mix of potting soil and 1/3 part FytoFlakes. For grass, mix your soil with FytoFlakes and sow your grass or lay your sod. This will yield a perfect lawn. For potted plants, cover the bottom of your pot with wet FytoFlakes. Then fill it with your plant and a mix of potting soil and 1/3 part FytoFlakes. This will give you a stronger, healthier, and more durable plant with more leaves and flowers. Get FytoFlakes and grow it before you know it.